Hey everyone. In this geometry example video, we are asked to solve for the area of the following trapezoid. To begin solving this problem, let's write down the general formula for finding a trapezoid's area. The area of a trapezoid is defined as 1/2 times b1 plus b2 times h. Here, b1 and b2 are the lengths of the two parallel lines of our trapezoid. So, on our example here, let's assign these like so. Then, h is the distance between our two parallel lines. So, in this example, h is going to be 6 centimeters, as it is the distance between b1 and b2. Now that we have a value assigned for b1, b2, and h, we can now find our area of the trapezoid. So, let's put these numbers into our formula and then simplify. We'll multiply 1/2 times 35 times 6, and this gives us a trapezoidal area of 105 centimeters squared. I hope that this video helped your understanding of how we can solve for the area of a trapezoid. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to address your concerns.